Maharashtra 10th SSC Maths Geometry Part 2 Important Questions Paper for May 2021. Maharashtra 10th Maths Paper Geometry Important Questions for May 2021. For May 2021. Hello friends, I am Mamsa Krishna. Welcome to my channel. So today, this video is very important to each and every student who are writing 10th class examinations. This is going to be a very important topic, and I suggest each and every student to watch the video completely first. Watch the video completely. This is going to be a 10th important questions for Maths Geometry paper. Maths Geometry is very important for May 2021 public exams. Very important, friends. And the most important thing is to know more details regarding important questions, important question paper regarding Maths Geometry of Maharashtra 10th. In the description below of this video. In the description below of this video, you can find the information regarding 10th important questions for May 2021 of Maharashtra 10th class Maths Geometry. Friends, before I start, I suggest each and every student, most important I want to say is each and every student watch the video completely first. Watch the video completely. If you watch the video completely, you can get an idea what questions may appear in the public examinations without any doubt. This is a very important, my dear friends. Very important questions definitely may appear in the public examinations without any doubt. Friends, regarding this is going to be 10th Maths Geometry paper. Here we are going to discuss some important topics and some important questions. The first one is ratio of areas of two triangles. Ratio of areas of two triangles. First and first, friends, I suggest each and every student first, what is the meaning of the problem? Suppose if you take a chapter like ratios of areas of two triangles. What is the concept in the ratios of areas of two triangles? You have to understand the meaning of the concept of the particular question. If you don't understand the meaning and the concept, it is very difficult for you to write in the public examinations perfectly. First, understand the concept and the meaning of the question. Very important. Ratios of areas of two triangles A1 by A2 is equals to B1 into H1 by B2 into H2. In geometry, Maths Geometry paper, very important for May 2021. Very important for each and every student, my dear friends. The only thing is, I just each and every student to watch the video completely. Very important questions. Important questions is not a easy thing, but the students need to understand the concept. Understanding the concept is very important. Practicing is very important. If you practice well, definitely you can get a very good marks in the public examinations. Geometry paper itself is to practice well, my dear friends. Geometry, right angle, triangle diagrams, whatever the diagrams are there in geometry, especially students need to take a pencil and a scale especially geometry itself is the paper itself is for the diagrams, especially right angle triangle diagrams, especially for those right angle triangle diagrams itself, you need to use the pencil as well as the scale. You have to measure the diagrams. The practice. Geometry paper itself is you need to practice well a lot. Practicing was only the most important key success formula to get a good marks, 100 out of 100 marks in the public examinations without any doubt of Maharashtra 10th class exams for May 2021 regarding maths geometry paper. So my dear friends, why I am saying all these things means students need to understand the concept. Students need to practice well. Practice geometry. I once again, geometry itself is a practicing purpose. This paper, maths geometry paper itself is for practicing, just not for learning. Learning mathematics never get a good marks in the public exams. Learning mathematics just by hearting or learning the formulas never gives a good marks in the public examinations. I am going to say practice is only the most important solution. The key success formula, the most important point in mathematics is practice. The more number of times you practice the diagrams, the more number of times you understand the concept of the question as well as the problem. So if you take a particular chapter like a ratio, what is the meaning of ratio? What is the meaning of areas of two triangles? Areas of two triangles is what? What is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 into H1 by B2 into H2. You have to understand first. Basic proportionality theorem, very important question. This theorem may appear in the public examinations, that is going to be basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. Solve BPT theorem. Solve BPT theorem. Theorems of areas of similar triangle. Theorems of areas of similar triangle. A1 by A2 is equals to S1 square by S2 square. Pythagoras theorem, one of the most important question for may appear in the public examination, that is going to be the Pythagoras theorem, my dear friends. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, what is the concept of converse of Pythagoras theorem? Geometric mean or similarity in right angle triangle. Geometric mean or similarity in right angle triangle and sides of square or height of equilateral triangle. Formula tangent theorem, very important. What is geometric mean? What is the similarity in right angle? What is a right angle triangle? A triangle is there. In that, what is right angle triangle? What is that? Right angle triangle. Very students should be able to just take a rough book, take a pencil or take a pen, just to go on practicing. The simple point I want to say is geometry paper itself is only for the practicing purpose only. Maths geometry, any other examinations, not only Maharashtra, any other examinations, any other board of exams regarding maths, geometry itself is for practicing the diagrams. Continuation practice with the pencil, with the rough book. What do you understand right angle triangle? What is the sides of squares? What is height of equilateral? What is an equilateral triangle? In a triangle, what is a right angle triangle? In a triangle, what is equilateral triangle? What is Pythagoras theorem? What is BPT theorem? What is a basic proportionality theorem? Revise the chapter. Practice, understand all the problems. What is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 into H1 by B2 into H2. What is H1? What is H2? What is A1, A2? What is B1, B2? All these things, students should be perfect. Understand the concept. Understand the meaning, concept, question and problem. Continuously learning and practicing. For every problem, for each and every question in geometry, just continuously write in a rough book 7 to 8 times till the students are well perfect in the subject. If the students are well perfect in the subject, if the students are well perfect like proportionality theorem, this particular theorem is very important. BPT theorem is one of the most important concepts. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is very important. In Pythagoras theorem, what is converse of Pythagoras theorem? Students should understand. What is a geometric mean? What is the mean, median, mode? What is similarity in right angle triangle? In geometric mean, there is a similarity is there. That is a right angle triangle. What is sides of squares? In a square, what are the sides of a square? What is the height of equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? Tangent theorem. So like that, it was one of the important concepts. In these important concepts, there are some important questions regarding Maths Geometry paper part 2, that is for May 2021 of Maharashtra 10th class. In the description below of this video, once again I am saying, in the description, very very important my dear friends, in the description you can find the details. Very very important. You can find the details in the description below. The most important thing is regarding what kind of problems may appear on the Maths Geometry paper for May 2021. So all those information, topics, questions, diagrams, each and every point you can find in the description below of this video. So finally, the only the thing, see once again the key success, a perfect point, perfect success formula, perfect success formula and getting good marks above 95 marks, 100 out of 100 marks let us expect in the public examinations regarding Maths Geometry paper for May 2021. Understand, practice continuously 7 to 8 times or more than 8 to 9 times, because geometry is very very important to each and every student. Maths Geometry will give you a very good knowledge and idea how to write a particular, how to solve a problem, how to get the perfect solutions for a problem. The topics, the questions and the answers, solutions you can find in the description below. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you will get my updated next videos. So once again I am going to say is Maharashtra 10th Maths Geometry question paper May 2021. Important questions you can find in the description below of this video. Thank you so much.